The Dow crashes nearly 300 points. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, January 27th, 2015. And the markets take one on the chin. The S&P down 1.3%, the Dow down 1.7%, the Nasdaq down 1.9%, Russell's down 0.5%. Now, small caps only down 0.5% when everybody else is down quite a bit more. What's interesting here, too, that should be leading the charge either one direction or the other, are on exact opposites. You have the Nasdaq down the most, 1.9% in negative territory. And a lot of that had to do with negative earnings coming out with companies such as Microsoft. And then you have Russell's only down 0.51%. Banks, though, off more than 1%. VIX higher by 11%. Big pop there. Gold up more than 1%. Same for silver. And crude oil up more than 2%. US dollar finally pulling back 1% here. Defensive sector is in bullish territory. People going to utilities. And here we are taking a look. Now, you're going to see my trend lines have changed a little bit because his software, which happens to be eSignal, I accidentally opened it twice and saved the second one before the... anyway, so I've got a bunch of old lines here that I'm trying to tweak as I go. But these lines are pretty good. Here on the S&P 500 daily chart, we have a big symmetrical triangle. This is a beautiful symmetrical triangle. A very, very nice symmetrical triangle here. All the moving averages, see this, are all within the price actions. This is a telltale sign that you're going into big time consolidation. And the consolidation, if you look at a weekly chart, is just going sideways, 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 sideways. I mean, it's just the consolidation is ginormous. Yes, I said ginormous. If you look here at the monthly chart, just going sideways. So you can tell with all this gyration, all this churning on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart going sideways, on the daily chart big time going sideways. Be looking for big time movement one direction or the other as we go into this apex. I see a lot more choppiness taking place here. Nasdaq here, big gap down, boom, to the downside. But look at this huge trading range. This is the sideways movement trading range that we've been in. Here, taking a look here at gold. Gold, big pullbacks, but looking for a buy opportunity. And then today was it. Boom, bull pullback, pop. Not doing too shabby out there. Now, take a look at some stocks of interest. Microsoft took a 9% haircut. Just a huge drop. Big time drop. Apple off 3.5% today on big volume. Ouch. Google off by almost 3%, pulling back, looking for a buy opportunity. Again, forget these trend lines are just horrid. I gotta redo all of these. It just breaks my heart. Facebook off by more than 2%. Nice little pullback, but look at all the sideways choppiness. Man, just bad time for that. GLW was up 3.4%. I happen to own that. I am a holder of GLW. Another one that I'm holding is LGND, Legend. LGND Pharmaceutical. Boom, popped today. Pulled back by the end of the day, but nice rally. I'm holding that long too. So give you a couple stocks of interest. So there you have it. Share this with a friend. Got a big, brand new, shiny website coming out for you guys. Very excited to roll this dude out. Take care.
My name is Eric Gershon. I'm learning from Des and Mark about the trading business, actually. For me, it's really understanding the exact way to do the trend lines. You know, are they shadows? Are they the close of the candle? That was my main question. I really wanted to understand how to make the trend lines the right way. As Des says, you know, he's pulled back the curtain so you can kind of see how the professionals do it, because essentially that's what we are. That's what I want to be. I want to be a professional trader, you know, and I don't want to be an amateur, and I don't want to trade like an amateur. And that is the thing that I'm learning the most here, is how to be professional at this and how to approach it from that point of view. They have far exceeded my expectation. I think, you know, I know Mark for a number of years, and he has been talking to me about doing this for a number of years, and I've watched him trade, and I just want to be, I'll just take a little bit of the way Mark trades, and I'll be a happy camper. Des, I've been watching the videos, and he's everything I thought he was going to be. You know, to the point where I actually talked to him about, you know, managing my retirement account. That's how, and you know, I don't know him that long, but he knows what he's doing. He's the real deal. You know, these are the real guys. I've been to other seminars, and most of these guys just want to, you know, talk while they're trading. You learn almost nothing. You don't learn about the markets. You don't learn about trend lines. You don't learn about moving averages and what's the right, where should you put your stop. I mean, you know, here you're covering it from start to finish, and that is what I really like.